Bitcoin patiently waiting for the next move. All right. I'm patiently waiting. How about you? Who knows what's going to happen? I know, some of my past videos are predictions, but that's just to kind of, so we're not completely in the dark, so that we're kind of getting an idea. There's probabilities to help us kind of understand using astrology and using technical analysis, like what are kind of most probable is going to happen. But at the end of the day, nobody knows with certainty what's going to happen, where the price action is going to go, which direction. People can say that they know, but they don't really know. All right. So what I'm seeing, honestly, let's see if I can make this bigger. Okay, here we go. Is, so we were at like super lows back here in November. The markets was in extreme fear, and then we got this major pump, and we're holding above this blue line quite well. Now, I mean, we're in this range here, up here, and we did poke above 28,800 all the way to 29,300. That is impressive. Now, the main question is, are we going to stay, are we going to surpass 29,000 and stay up there? Or are we going to hang out in this area? Now, we could easily, even head down here. We could even head down to 22,000. And I don't know, we could do something like that or something. Or we could just shoot through here right now. Tough to say, but I do think that we might be in this area for a while, between these blue lines here in this range. Now, the only thing to worry about is if we went down here and then we just dropped. It still wouldn't be that bad if we were in around 19,000. I don't even think that's going to happen realistically. It's even okay if we go into the 18,000s, but if we go below that, that would be a time to get a little bit worried. But until then, things are looking just swell right now. And who says swell? I don't know. I just said it for fun. So we're sitting pretty right now. Like, we're sitting pretty. Now, check in with yourself on your strategy. What is your crypto strategy? Are you good to go if we head up here? Are you good? Do you have enough invested already that if we go up, you're not just going to totally FOMO all your money in and think we're going to 100K? Because that's not likely going to happen, in my opinion. I hate to bust anyone's bubble who's super bullish. This is most likely a relief rally. And then are you okay? Are you okay literally if we head down to like, whatever, even if we head down to like 13K or something like that? Are you still good? Or would you be freaking out? Because for me, I'm good either way right now. If we head up, if we go up, 35, 36,000, 42,000, I'm good. I'm sitting pretty. I'm definitely going to take some profits. And if we go down, if we see doomsday, major crazy black swan events, I'm good too, because I've got my cash, I've got my cash flows. I'm sitting pretty with that. I mean, of course my portfolio would go down a lot. Everybody's portfolio would go down, but I'm in it for the long term, 10 years, but at least 2 years of holding, until Bitcoin comes back up at some point, up into the 40s and beyond. But if it does go down here, I'll feel emotions, I'll feel fear, but I'm not going to like freak out because my strategy's solid. I'll just continue to dollar cost average to buy in down there. So if you're not sitting pretty right now, if the market goes down like this and you'd be freaking out, then you need to work on your strategy. And that is a one-on-one thing, custom. You got to have someone to help you custom create a strategy for you that works for your personality, your strengths, and your weaknesses. Okay, so you're sitting pretty no matter what. How good would it feel if no matter what the market does, you are sitting pretty, you're feeling good, you're feeling confident, you know you're in a good position for the long term to set yourself and your family up for success, for true abundance, true freedom, you know, in this new age of technology that we are in now and that we're heading into. And that if the market goes up, you're also not going to freak out and FOMO in, like go all in on all your money and then like just see the market just like turn over after you do that or something, and then freak out that you're losing all of this money or whatnot. So get your strategy super solid. You can sign up for a session with me and we will go one-on-one, custom made. I'll even look at your astrology chart. I'll help you set up a long-term strategy that works for you so that you are solid in the next couple years, that no matter what happens, if there's a black swan event, which there easily could be, because I've taken a look at the astrology and I'm working with my astrologer colleagues and also people who study TA and the macro economics, we could definitely see some crazy events in the next couple of years that we could easily see a new low. We have not seen the level of terror and horror that we saw back in 2018. We have not seen a crazy, I mean, this was scary, but trust me, we have not seen like the real terror that happens when we just fall off a cliff. Even worse than this and even worse than that over here. All right, so make sure you're set up for the long-term success. Sign up for a session with me below if you feel the call. And thanks for watching this video. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Coming up with these videos every single week. So I will talk to you very soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day. May you be blessed with abundance and freedom.